In this video tutorial, we will going to learn how to crop a picture using Adobe Photoshop CS4. To crop this picture, we will going to select the crop tool from these icons. So I'm going to choose this icon, which is the crop tool, and then click and then have a selection that you want to remain in this picture. So from here, so there will be a selection, so you can drag it or resize your selection, and then if you're done with this, you just press enter in your keyboard. So again, if you want to crop a certain picture, so from these tools, we choose the crop tool and then click and drag on this picture that you have selected and then press enter. And that is how you crop a picture using Adobe Photoshop CS4.